guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you're new here, my name is Lila, and I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes that I'm giving to my teachers. So let me stack them up, so y'all can count them yourself if y'all want to. So, y'all can see me stack them up if y'all want to. I'm stacking them up right here. It might be a little high, so I'll count for you on the top, like where y'all can't see it. See, like at the top one right here, you're not gonna be able to see it. Well, y'all are, because it's gonna fall. You see what I mean? So we're just gonna stack 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if there's like extra, we'll put some on the top of those. So yeah, we're just trying to see because these are for school. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell if y'all haven't, and so y'all never miss an upload that I make. Oh snap! I moved it a little bit too. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I only have 4. I don't have no other slimes. So. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. I smell some fishy around here. Where's my other slime? I had another one. I had another one. It might be a little dark for y'all up in here, but I don't know if it is, but it's good. It's good. So, okay. So we only have 3 more slimes right here. Oh, it's right here. Oh, so this is for the Gru Star because he's 7 days. I don't know what Gru Star is. This is a Gru book. Yeah. I don't know if you've seen the Minion movie, but yeah. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 19 of them. So I'm going to keep these. The girl still can have that. I'm going to keep these. Still can have that. Good? Good. Okay. So I'm going to put some right here. Oh. Okay. I don't think a lot is going to extend this. See if I can have like a big bowl, but I don't want to take them to school. I have some big bowls, but I just can't take them to school because oh, okay, so that 19 should be enough because he has 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. He would have 42. So 23 plus 42, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32. He would have 32. So yeah. Y'all can see my feet back here. So yeah. And my hair's kind of messed up because I just came back from school. I need to get ready for volleyball practice. That's why I did this right now. Because if I come back, it's going to be already nighttime. So yeah. So these, keeping. Goodbye. And I'll show you how they look. Whatever. Okay, so wait a minute. Let me dump this out. Let me dump that out. Wait a minute. Okay, so here's all the purple. Purple. You know what? I'm just gonna move this all out of the way. Okay, so these 2 are purple. These 2 are purple. These 2 are purple. These 2 are purple. And these 2 are purple. You probably can't see them, so I'm gonna scoop them back a little bit. Oh snap! Okay. Oh snap! Okay. So these are all the purple ones, except there's one more left. So hold on. top of the mountain is this slime right there. Okay. Okay. Now this is all the blue. And I know it's not gonna be even, and that's because I don't have like even slime. Oh yeah, the blue is even. The other ones aren't. The piece right here. So okay. This grocery store, 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 grocery store. I mean, grocery store, grocery store, grocery store. Okay. There's 3 left. 3 left. 3 left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, so please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So yeah. Okay, so this is like everything. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and this. I have right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 right here. I think 11 is good for the grocery store. So, see now. Wait, hold on. I only have 2 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna get 4 blues. 4 blues. 2, 4. You know, I gotta keep the blues inside my stomach. You know that, right? Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna give some to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there's 12 right there. Okay, but I had too much blue. Savina. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Still 11. So I'm just gonna take this one out. I can buy blue slime later. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue, 6 purple. So these are grocery stores. So I'm gonna put this inside the grocery store. And then the grocery store's tomorrow. It's only on Fridays, so we good. We Gucci. We Gucci, man. We Gucci, okay? I just need more lids, bro. Okay, bro? I need more lids. I'm gonna tell my teacher. I need more lids, bro. Okay. Okay, so I think that's good. Now, I don't know if y'all have seen my backpack before, but I'm gonna show you. Savina. Backpack. So yeah, that's my backpack. So this is the slimes that I'm keeping. This is the slimes I'm giving away. So yeah, we Gucci, man. We Gucci. So hope you like this video. Give this a big like. Turn on the notification bell. And give that only like if you like it. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Don't do nothing. Just hope you like this video. And no bullying. Because bullying can cause some bad damage and stuff like that. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video, teachers. So, bye.